Juventus FC is celebrating a hard-fought victory after being crowned the champions of the Bulelani soccer tournament. They battled it out with Tutumasha FC at the Lowanda Kanai Primary School sports field, scoring 2-0. The win saw them walking away with a 30,000 rand cash prize. Juventus coach Cesar Rolame says the victory is a major boost for them.
Le mpumelelo yokum ithetha lukhulu sikhuphe abantwana ngeChristmas bekufama abahleli namfamily zabo bahleli nabazali babo ngolusuku olukhulu lweChristmas but bakwazile ukuncama konke bazodlala igames. It was not easy to win as games because neweather bingasivumeli but ngelakhi asifumenanga injuries.
Both the player and the goalkeeper of the tournament earned themselves trophies and 1,000 rands in prize money for helping their respective teams reach the finals. They say this marks the beginning of their promising careers.
It's more like motivation yabangiqhubeke kwazi bandisebenze hard because manifumane ezinye and lebulela.
Ekamama ayoyihamba endithemba ngizodlalela yena bendimxelele mawazozuzonibona ke kangakwazi so ke nimenzeni beyifuni so nawe uzayithanda.
Despite rainy conditions, some community members came out to support the tournament. Nomalungisa Ntshona says tournaments like these play a key role in keeping young people away from drugs and alcohol abuse.
Iintsuku ezinjenge-25 kunye mhlawumbi kunye ne-26 zizwe kudaleka izixholo-xholo uve maxa wambi kusithiwa kubhujiwe endaweni ethile ngenxa yoba kaloku ulutsha luqokelelana nje lisithi lona liyazonwabisa kanti ekugqibeleni liyazitshabalalisa ngoba baphetha besilwa bebulalana ngokuba baqokeleleka apha babone into yokuba baphuhlise ke ngokwizakhono zabo ngokwalapha ebholeni.
The founder of this tournament, Bonto Xoki, says the tournament was established to identify and develop local football talent in Nqamakwe.
We want to develop a football play area yalapha in Nqamakwe, specifically which is under Mnquma municipality, upper rurals. If you want now the areas kuyo, is deep rural areas, so sifuna ukuzisa ibhola ebantwaneni ngobunjalo bayo.
Second placed Tutumasha FC walked away with 15,000 rand, while third placed BM Squid received 5,000 rand. The next year's edition of the tournament will be held at Nomania Sports Ground, with the number of the teams expected to increase to 32. I am Yamgela Mchiyo for MPK News, Nqamakwe.